How did you come up with this? Or what made you?
Come up with it.
Yeah.
Being vegan and raw and needing a snack that was raw. So I said, you know what? I can't eat potato chips and all these other things and all those
That's
oils.
right.
So I just started making my own, and then the flavors just started coming.
Oh, wow, that's beautiful.
And I don't like eating empty calories. So I'm very intentional about what I eat.
Okay.
Yeah.
And that's why you're so radiant and glowing.
Well, thank you.
Your skin is healthy and beautiful.
Skin tells it all.
Well, thank you. I appreciate that.